The wildlife of rabbits, nature's agile survivors. Introduction. Rabbits, known for their fluffy fur, long ears, and twitching noses, are some of the most recognizable and beloved creatures in the animal kingdom. While many people are familiar with rabbits as domesticated pets, their wild counterparts are remarkable animals that thrive in diverse habitats around the world. In this script, we will explore the wildlife of rabbits, their behaviors, habitats, survival strategies, and ecological significance. The biology of rabbits. Rabbits belong to the family Leporidae and are often confused with hares, though the two have distinct differences. Wild rabbits are small mammals characterized by their size, typically 12 to 20 inches long, weighing around 2 to 4 pounds. Ears. Long and sensitive ears, capable of detecting distant sounds to avoid predators. Feet. Strong hind legs adapted for quick jumps and escapes. Tail. A small, fluffy, and often white-tipped tail. Unlike rodents, rabbits are lagomorphs, meaning they have an additional pair of incisors, which sets them apart. Habitats and distribution. Wild rabbits are incredibly adaptable and can be found on nearly every continent, excluding Antarctica. They inhabit grasslands, open meadows with abundant grasses and herbs. Forests, areas with dense undergrowth provide cover and protection. Deserts. Some species, like the cottontail rabbit, thrive in arid regions. Urban areas. They often adapt to city parks and gardens, where food is plentiful. Example, the European rabbit, Ornithologus cuniculus, native to southwestern Europe and North Africa, has been introduced to numerous regions, including Australia, where it has become an invasive species. Diet and foraging habits. Rabbits are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses. Their main diet consists of tender grass shoots. Herbs and weeds. Wildflowers, dandelions, and clovers are favorites. Bark and twigs. In winter, when vegetation is scarce, rabbits gnaw on tree bark and shrubs. Rabbits practice coprophagy, consuming their nutrient-rich feces called cecotropes to extract maximum nutrients from their food. Social structure and behavior. Wild rabbits are highly social animals that often live in groups called colonies. They establish intricate underground burrow systems, known as warrens. These warrens provide safety, a refuge from predators. Thermal regulation, protection from extreme weather. Reproduction, a secure environment for raising their young. Communication. Rabbits communicate through a mix of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Thumping, a warning signal where rabbits stomp their hind legs to alert others of danger. Chinning, glands under their chin release a scent to mark territory. Vocal sounds, low grunts, squeals, or even screams when frightened. Reproduction and life cycle. Rabbits are prolific breeders. A single female rabbit, doe, can produce multiple litters each year, with each litter containing 3 to 12 kits. Key facts about their reproduction include gestation period, approximately 28 to 31 days. Birth. Kits are born hairless, blind, and dependent on their mother. Weaning. Within 3 weeks, they start eating solid food and become independent shortly after. This rapid reproduction is a survival strategy to counterbalance high predation rates. Predators and survival strategies. Rabbits are prey animals, making them a vital part of the food chain. Common predators include mammals, foxes, coyotes, weasels, and domestic dogs. Birds of prey, eagles, hawks, and owls. Reptiles, snakes in some regions. Survival strategies. Speed and agility, capable of running up to 35 miles per hour in short bursts. Camouflage, their fur blends with their environment, reducing visibility to predators. Burrowing, quick retreats into warrens provide a safe escape. Freezing, remaining motionless helps them avoid detection. Ecological importance. Wild rabbits play a crucial role in their ecosystems. Soil aeration. Burrowing helps improve soil structure and water infiltration. Food source. They are a primary food source for many predators. Seed dispersal. Rabbits contribute to the growth of vegetation by dispersing seeds through their droppings. However, In regions where rabbits are invasive, such as Australia, their unchecked population growth can cause severe environmental damage, including overgrazing and erosion. Conservation status. While many rabbit species thrive, some face threats due to habitat loss, hunting, and disease. For instance, European rabbit. Despite being invasive in some regions, their populations in native areas have declined due to habitat destruction and myxomatosis, a viral disease. Pygmy rabbit, Brachylagus idahoensis, native to North America. This species is considered near threatened due to habitat fragmentation. Conservation efforts focus on habitat restoration and controlling diseases to protect vulnerable rabbit populations. Fun facts about wild rabbits. Rabbits have nearly 360-degree vision, allowing them to detect predators from all directions. Their teeth never stop growing, requiring constant chewing to prevent overgrowth. A rabbit's powerful hind legs can propel it up to 10 feet in a single leap. Wild rabbits can survive harsh winters by eating bark and digging through snow for food. Predators and defense mechanisms. Rabbits are prey animals and have developed several strategies to avoid predators. Speed and agility. Their powerful hind legs allow them to make quick, unpredictable movements. Camouflage. Their fur often blends with the surroundings. Alertness. Rabbits are constantly on the lookout for danger, with their large eyes positioned to detect threats from various angles. Common predators include foxes, hawks, owls, snakes, and even domestic cats and dogs. Ecological importance. Rabbits play a crucial role in ecosystems. Food source. They are a vital food source for many predators. Vegetation control. By grazing, they help maintain plant diversity and prevent overgrowth. Soil aeration. Their digging behavior helps aerate the soil, promoting plant growth. Threats to rabbit populations. Despite their adaptability, many rabbit species face threats. Habitat loss. Urbanization and deforestation are major challenges. Hunting. In some regions, rabbits are hunted for their meat and fur. Diseases. Viral diseases like myxomatosis and rabbit hemorrhagic disease have decimated populations. Climate change. Altered weather patterns affect their food sources and habitats. Conservation efforts. Efforts to conserve rabbit populations include protected areas, establishing reserves and sanctuaries, breeding programs, captive breeding to support endangered species like the pygmy rabbit, Brachylagus idahoensis. Public awareness, educating communities about the importance of rabbits in ecosystems. Disease control, developing vaccines and controlling the spread of diseases. Conclusion. Wild rabbits are more than just adorable creatures. They are agile survivors that play vital roles in their ecosystems. From their incredible reproductive abilities to their impressive escape tactics, rabbits are a testament to nature's ingenuity.